Hi, excuse me, do you know where the milk is?
Yes, it's in the second aisle, near the bread section.
Oh, thank you. I'm new here, so I'm still learning.
No problem. Are you looking for anything else?
Yes, actually. Do you know if they have fresh apples today?
Yes, they do. The apples are in the fruit section, right next to the bananas.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hi. Do you know if the number 45 bus has already gone?
No, it hasn't. It usually comes around 8:30.
Oh, good. I was worried I missed it.
Don't worry. It should be here in a few minutes.
Thanks. Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I go to work with this bus. What about you?
I'm going to college. It's my first week.
That's nice. Good luck with your studies.
Thank you so much. Good morning. Can I get a cup of coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can you add some extra sugar?
Of course. Anything else?
Hmm. Yes, one chocolate muffin.
Great choice. That will be 120 rupees.
Here you go. Do you accept UPI?
Yes, we do. You can scan this code.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.